Hello guys! Welcome back to another video tip and tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for creative writing. Using ChatGPT for creative writing can be fun and interesting way to generate ideas and explore new writing styles. Here are some steps you can take to use ChatGPT for creative writing. First is choose a topic or prompt. Start by choosing a topic or prompt that you want to write about. This could be anything from a specific genre of writing to a particular theme or idea. Next is interact with ChatGPT. Once you have a topic or prompt, you can start interacting with ChatGPT by asking it questions or giving it prompts related to your writing project. For example, you could ask ChatGPT to generate a story outline or provide ideas for a character development. Explore different responses. As you interact with ChatGPT, be sure to explore different responses and ideas it generates. Don't be afraid to experiment and try out different prompts or questions to see what kind of responses you get. Use generated text as inspiration. Once you have generated some responses from ChatGPT, use them as an inspiration for your creative writing. You can use the ideas and text generated by ChatGPT to develop characters, create plot twists, or explore new writing styles. Refine and edit. As you work on creative writing project, be sure to refine and edit your work to ensure it meets your desired level of quality. Remember, ChatGPT is just a tool to help generate ideas and inspiration. The final product is still up to you. Overall, using ChatGPT for creative writing can be fun and engaging way to explore new ideas and creating styles. Just be sure to use ChatGPT as a tool for inspiration and idea generation, rather than relying on it to do all the work for you. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!